Welcome to Block 7. Today, we'll be exploring a unique residential project located on a north-facing slope near Lake Tahoe in the Sierra Nevada mountains, California. This project is called the CAMPout House, designed by Faulkner Architects, covering 3,800 square feet and completed in 2021. Nestled among 100-year-old Jeffrey pine trees, the house sits on a slope with breathtaking views of Martis Valley below and Lookout Mountain above. In today's architectural world, many projects are driven by visual appeal. However, the CAMPout House takes a different approach, focusing on responding to its natural context while also addressing practical challenges such as fire safety. The house is designed with careful consideration of its surroundings, which are prone to wildfires. The material palette was thoughtfully chosen to ensure durability and protection. It draws inspiration from the local landscape, using materials like basalt boulders and sugar pines, which naturally cover the forest floor with a rust-colored carpet of pine needles. At the exterior, glazing is minimized to reduce fire risk, while the interior opens up to a central courtyard, allowing natural light to flow in and creating a safe connection with the forest outside. The layout is unique, with the sleeping areas wrapping around the courtyard, providing privacy from neighbors. The heart of the home is a concrete pavilion that serves as the family gathering space, connecting the courtyard with the distant mountain views. A thin steel roof slopes upward, opening the interior to the southern sunlight and framing views of the ski runs on the mountain. Double 8-inch concrete walls, fitted with foam insulation, extend up to the roof, enhancing the home's fire resistance, while clear-story windows fill the triangular space between the roof and the concrete walls, balancing light and privacy. The interior of the house emphasizes natural, unfinished materials like native cedar, bringing warmth and a sense of connection to the surrounding environment. Basalt floors further integrate the design with the outdoor landscape, where basalt boulders are a key element. Blackened steel cabinetry and exposed steel details create a strong yet refined aesthetic. Glazed doors around the courtyard connect the sleeping areas and pavilion to the outdoors, much like a campsite, reinforcing the idea of living in harmony with nature. As climate change increases the frequency and intensity of wildfires, it is crucial to consider construction systems and materials that can withstand these disasters. CAMPout House sets an example by integrating non-combustible materials and a design that adapts to its environment, ensuring both safety and comfort. The house takes on a protective posture, utilizing fire-resistant materials without compromising its connection to the natural surroundings. Furnishings throughout the home are carefully chosen to match the same materials and tonal qualities, creating a calm, understated presence that allows the vibrant landscape outside to take center stage. CAMPout House is more than just a residence. It's a thoughtful architectural work that demonstrates how modern homes can blend with and respond to challenging environments, providing a safe and serene living space for its inhabitants. That wraps up our in-depth look at CAMPout House by Faulkner Architects. If you're looking for design inspiration that seamlessly integrates with nature, this project is an outstanding reference. See you in the next video here on Block 7.